Welcome to Qgis. Today we will learn how to download Qgis software and its installation process. First, open browser and type Qgis. Then click on download Qgis for your platform. The latest version of Qgis is available in this link, and if you want to download stable version, then click this link. After clicking, your download will start it automatically. If you want to download older version of QGIS, then click on all releases. After that, click on previous releases of QGIS are still available here. These are the older version of QGIS. After download completed, open the QGIS setup file and double click on this setup file. Then click on next. Then click on I agree. Click on next. During this installation process, three dataset is provided, but we do not need to install these datasets. So we click on install. After complete the installation process, click on finish. Now double click on QGIS Desktop 3.12.3 and wait for the loading of the software. Now your software is ready for work. Thank you for watching this video.